Go!
Hi guys, welcome to Don Sensei. Today I'm gonna tell my story about bike riding.
Can I ask you a question, buddy?
What, sir?
What did you feel when you ride on your bicycle with training wheels?
I last time I'm playing with my with my friend with my brother, and I'm still using training wheels.
And your cousin not using a training wheel.
Yeah,
Then you requested to remove your training wheels?
yes,
Why?
because I want to be like them. Because they're so good at it. I want to follow them like a true bicycle rider.
So nice. Then how you feel when the training wheels was removed from your bicycle?
I just got a little better after all. I'm gonna be a little bit better that last time, and I just got a little better from no training wheels.
Are you not afraid?
Yeah, I'm not. I didn't get hurt last time. And when I go to the court and I'm starting training there to get better. And now I just got a little bit better now. So
Are you
later-
happy?
Yeah. To get
And how about tomorrow? Are you going to ride your bicycle again?
yeah out there. And I show the bike riding what I do from my tita. And later on, I just got better and better, just like a true bicycle rider.
Okay, thank you.
And bye guys, and subscribe to my channel, click the bell button, and bye bye.